Good day everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to work with filter method. It's a very powerful method. It allows to take array and to extract only the items that meet any condition we decide. We can do the same thing with for loop and a condition, which I will demonstrate all the time, how to work with filter and how to do it in the old way with for loop and the condition. And the difference is, big difference is, filter method it's easier, it's shorter and cleaner and it's pro code. So let's dive to the code. I will start with the for loop. I will run on the old array. And if the condition will be true, in our case, I'm checking greater than 18, I will take the items to the new array. Only the items that met our condition. Let's print to see the result. The new array. I want to print also the old array to see that it didn't change and we didn't affect him by any accident. As we can see, it works like a charm. But it's very long way to do it. I want to do it with prettier, easier, the pro way. So I will start same as before. I will create a new array. I will go to the old array. And now I will do filter. I will give any name I want, in this case age, to the item that I want to check. And if the item is greater than 18, this is all the code. Very short, as you can see, one row instead of 5. Now I want to print the result again. As we can see, it's working perfect, and the old array didn't change at all. We didn't affect him, and the new array contains only the items we want. The items that greater than 18. One row, 5 rows. Much more complex code, very clean, very pro code. This is the way.
This is the way.
This is the way. This is the way.
Now I want to run on my student array to check. I want to check again the age. I will start with a simple example. I will take the loop from before. I will run on my new my student array. I will change the condition because now I want to check in a property that call as age. If it's greater than 18, I want to take the complete student and put it inside the new array. Let's print, see the result. My new student array, the old student array. The old array didn't got any effect at all, exactly what I want. And the new array got only the students that their age is greater than 18. Wonderful, exactly what I want. Now I want to do it with filter. Again, I will take my old example. I will run on the student array, and I don't checking the age, I'm checking the student age. So student s age, this is the name of the property. If it's greater than 18, now let's print. Again, same result. The old didn't got any effect from our actions, and the new array contains only the student I want. Looks the same, the result, but if I compare the code, I got 5 rows instead of 1. I got here very clean code, very nice code. This is why I love this method, the filter, and this is exactly the way. Now I want to do the last example. In my last example, I'm going to do the same, but I want to check another thing. I want to check if the email is legit, if it contains the @ sign. I will add to the for example another condition. In this case, I want to check the email of any student if it includes @ sign. Actually, it's the same checking here in the filter. As you can see, it's working. I need to print it to verify everything okay. And yes, only Sasha in our case got the @ sign, Yulia miss it. Now I will do it with the filter. I don't want to write it from scratch, so I will simply add another check. I will take the student, which is the object we're checking, and the continue is the same. Let's print the new array. As we can see, it's working. The result, at least, is the same result, but it's working on very, very clean code, very easy to read, to write, or to change, or to understand, because it's much less code. It's much easier code. It's focusing only on the question we're checking. It's not focusing on the for or maybe on the index. We don't need them. We just need to run on our array, and this is exactly what the filter method is doing, and to check our condition. And this focusing this is what make this method so big, so great to work with. And this is the way.
This is the way.
This is the way. This is the way.
I hope you enjoy. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.